Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day on your phone. This is a completely legitimate way to make money, and you can do it in your spare time. There are a few different ways to make money on your phone. Here are a few of the most popular methods. 1. Take online surveys. There are a number of websites and apps that will pay you to take surveys. This is a great way to make some extra money in your free time. 2. Get paid to play games. There are also a number of games that will pay you to play them. This is a fun way to make money, and you can even do it while you're on the go. 3. Deliver food or groceries. If you live in a major city, you can sign up to deliver food or groceries for a company like DoorDash or Instacart. This is a great way to make money on your own schedule. 4. Do freelance work. If you have skills like writing, editing, or graphic design, you can find freelance work online. There are a number of websites that connect freelancers with clients. 5. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. This is a great way to make money if you have strong organizational and communication skills. How much can you make? The amount of money you can make on your phone will vary depending on the method you choose. However, it is possible to make $100 a day or more with some of these methods. The challenges. There are a few challenges to making money on your phone. One challenge is that it can be difficult to find legitimate opportunities. There are a lot of scams out there, so it's important to do your research before you start working with any company. Another challenge is that it can take some time to build up a steady stream of income. You won't make $100 a day overnight. However, if you're willing to put in the work, it is possible to make a significant amount of money on your phone. Making money on your phone is a great way to earn extra cash or even replace your full-time income. If you're looking for a way to make money in your spare time, I encourage you to try one of the methods I mentioned in this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Call to action. If you're ready to start making money on your phone, I encourage you to check out the resources I mentioned in the video. You can also find more information on my website. Thanks for watching.